The present tense of the verb estar, which is often called the other to be verb to distinguish it from the verb ser, which you have learned previously. It's important to learn how the verb estar is conjugated. It is technically an AR verb, but you'll notice that there are some differences and irregularities, so it's important to learn all of the forms of the verb. Estoy, estás, está, estamos, estáis, están. You'll notice that the yo form is completely irregular, estoy, and that many of the other forms have a written accent on the ending. This is important because stress, as you know in Spanish, often distinguishes one word from another one. So estás, está, estáis, están. Make sure that when you speak, you are putting the stress firmly on that last syllable, and that will help you to remember to write the accents there when you are writing the verb. The verb estar is used in a number of very specific ways. You will learn two of those in this lesson. First of all, the verb estar describes where something or someone is, that is, its location. Secondly, it's used to tell how someone or something is, that is, the state or condition of an object or a person. And we'll see some examples of how this works. So, talking about the use of the verb estar to indicate where something or someone is, that is, its location. We've got the little cartoon here. El museo está allí a la derecha. That is, the museum is located off to the right. Some more examples of the verb estar used for location. Estoy en casa. Claudio está en el gimnasio. Madrid está en España. ¿Dónde están los estudiantes? And you'll notice here, and this is very important, that whether or not the location is permanent has nothing whatsoever to do about using the verb estar. So we have one example here, Madrid está en España. Madrid is not going anywhere anytime soon. It is permanently located in Spain. But the other three examples are temporary location. Estoy en casa, I'm at home now, but I am probably not going to be there very much longer. So don't confuse the use of the verb estar for location with other uses, okay? So it's important to remember that if you are describing where something is located physically, you do use the verb estar, whether it's temporary or permanent. The other use of the verb estar, which we're learning in this lesson, is to describe a state or a condition, and this one is often temporary, which is why people sometimes get it confused with using estar for location. In these situations, the verb estar describes how somebody is feeling. It describes the condition, the physical state or condition of an object, as we'll see in the following example. How are you today? How are you feeling today? What is your physical condition today? Estoy muy enferma. Some of the adjectives that you've learned in this lesson, which can be used with the verb estar to describe physical state or condition, are the ones that are listed here. Abierto, cansado, contento, enfermo, enojado, limpio, ocupado, triste. There are many other adjectives that can be used with estar to describe condition. You learn some of these in this lesson, for example, sucio, cerrado, preocupado, and so on. And you will learn others as you progress through Lesson 3 and Lesson 4 of this course. Some examples of estar used to describe the state or condition of a person or an object. Estoy muy cansado. Amelia está enojada. El laboratorio está muy limpio. ¿Ustedes están ocupados? Fin, es todo.